Now introduce the heater settings interface. Boiler water temperature control function. What it does is, we can install a boiler water temperature sensor. Check the current boiler water temperature. Set the heater start temperature. When we enable the boiler water temperature control function, perform boiler water temperature detection. When the boiler water temperature is greater than the heater starting temperature, heater works normally. When the boiler water temperature, when the heater startup temperature is lower than the one we set, heater not working, and activate the boiler water temperature alarm. Prevent cold air from blowing into the bedroom. To deactivate is to cancel this function. This ring controller has a total of 6 heating zones. Heating control. The check sign means the opening temperature and the stopping temperature. With the target temperature, select difference sign. It means that the opening temperature and the stopping temperature are fixed values. Does not vary with target temperature. This shows the current target temperature. This shows the sensor temperature. That is, the corresponding heating zone. Which temperature sensor was selected? Which temperature sensor displays the current temperature? The heater opening temperature is displayed here. This shows the heater stop temperature. Click on the dialog box to modify directly. Sensor selection. And that's the heating zone. Which temperature sensor do we choose to control? If no temperature sensor is selected, the heating zone does not work. If we are using a plumbing boiler, generally divided into 3 areas, each zone is controlled by a corresponding temperature sensor. If we are using floor heating pipes, because the floor heating pipe cannot be zoned, can only be controlled by one area. At this time, the setting of the heating zone, we can choose the lowest temperature. You can also choose the average temperature. The average temperature means 3. Average value of temperature sensor. It doesn't work until it reaches the opening temperature. The lowest temperature means 3 temperature sensors. Which one has a low temperature? Reached opening temperature. This heating zone will work. The heater setting interface ends here.